What's up, tubesters? Two bets. It's your boy Stitch, man. I'm back. Back once again, man. Make sure y'all tell your mammies, tell your aunts. Show your boy some love. This is what we got here, man. For old Peggy Bundy. Got the seats, got all of the old patterns off. That's all of the old pattern. So I got the two front seats knocked out. Got them sitting over here. Got the two front seats bust out. We got them knocked out this week. We did a fire red with a light ash gray band around it to match the silver stitching. Of course, we did the Pontiac logo and the Pontiac on the side. Once you open the door, you notice. But we got it together. Boom, boom, everything wrapped and stitched up. Y'all know how we do it. So for here, I'm working on the rear seats. I definitely had to make them match the fronts. You know that. Make sure all them seams line up. I put that light gray band around it. So now I'm about to stretch it on the seat and see what we got from here. Clean it off a little bit. Spray the bottom. Fresh black. Gonna go from there in a minute. Gotta stitch this last little band on here. Make my center mark. Alright, got the cover on. A little stitched on the back. Put that flap on there. So now I got the hard ringet on the back there. Let's see how this come out. Alright, got it stretched on. Now it's time for a little ironing. Let's see if we can iron this thing. Knock some of these wrinkles out of here first. Put that steamer to work. I think this one needs to be pulled a little bit tighter. Oh yeah. As you see, iron them on out. Starts to lay on flat. So we don't start with many wrinkles, no way. All we doing is pretty much relaxing the vinyl. Giving it a home here. Pretty much form fitting it to the seat. It's just our process. We like ours to fit nice and tight.